Let's get this party started. Okay, guys, looking at example number 3 here, it says simplify. So now I've got these two fractions that are being multiplied. See, when I want to multiply fractions, forget about what you see up there, just two easy fractions. When I'm multiplying fractions, how do I do that? Well, I guess after I reduce, that's true. But once I have reduced, how do I multiply fractions? I mean, what's the method, the technique? Like 2/5, boy, I really wish Smartboard would get itself straight. 2/5 times, let's say 4/7. No, not when I'm multiplying. Arjun, what's the technique when I'm multiply straight across? 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 times 7 is 35. Okay, that's it. Now, CC did bring up a good point, and I'm going to erase these. CC, the point you brought up was I want to cancel if I can. All right, and looking at these two fractions, do you see anything that I can cancel? Inside each of the fractions there's not, but since I'm multiplying, remember, I can cancel diagonally. One has to be on the top and one on the bottom. Alfredo, do you see anything? Okay, what do you have? I can cancel the 5 right here with the 20. This turns into a 1, and this turns into a 4, right? Is there anything else I can cancel, Eric?
The
12 and the 3. Now the 3 turns into a 1, and the 12 turns into a 4. Okay? Now I only have 1s on the bottom, so I don't even have to worry about the bottom anymore. Okay? Let's multiply those two monomials at the top. Alright? Read. Multiplying the numbers first, what do I get?
16.
I'm going to get 16. And Reed, go ahead and take the x's for me. What do I get? X to the 5th. And then I'm going to let David, what do I get with the y's? Y to the 6th. And then we're done. Okay? Now, I want to do something, if you guys don't mind. This shouldn't take too long. Let me erase the canceling part for a moment. Let's just say that we didn't see the canceling. Okay? Jack, will you multiply the numbers on we're multiplying the two monomials at the top. Will you multiply the numbers for me? 240. Ben, you want to take the variables?
Yes.
What do I get?
X to the 5th.
Mm-hmm.
And
Y to the 6th. And what do I get on the bottom, Eric?
15.
15. Okay, so now I have this fraction, but I need to reduce this fraction. I reduce a fraction the same way that I multiply monomials. I need to reduce numbers and then reduce variables. Okay, Jordan, I'm actually going to take the numbers and stick them out to the side so that I can reduce them. Okay, you want to help me with this? You've got your calculator there. But what goes into both of these?
16.
Does 16 go into them? I can't see it. Well, it doesn't go into 15. Here's what I'm going to...
It does. It says 15 times 16.
Oh, you mean 15 goes into both of them. And it goes into this one 16 times. I don't see that kind of stuff.
5.
What I do see that 5 goes into it. 5 goes into 24 4 times and into 48. And then I'm left with 3 on the bottom. And then I can see 3 goes into both of those. That's 16 over 1. Okay? So I can do it that way. And then I'm left with 16 x to the 5th, y to the 6th, all over 1. And I can get rid of that 1 down there at the bottom if I want to. So if I didn't cancel, that would be okay. I could still then just reduce it. But if I do cancel, then I don't have to reduce it at the end. It's already reduced. Okay? Good job, guys, and I'll see you at the last example.